Hey guys! Welcome back to Tech Bytes. Today we are going to unbox KZ EDX Ultra in-ear monitor, which is a budget category IEM available in $11. In-ear monitors provide much better sound quality and details than other earphones. KZ EDX Ultra is a very nice in-ear monitor earphone which have 10mm dual dynamic drivers. As you can see packing, these are well packed and the built quality of device is very nice. Although it's plastic body, but it feels really premium. Now let's talk about the sound quality of KZ EDX Ultra. The sound is highly detailed, you will listen to tons and sounds which you haven't in a song. The sound stage is wide and you get hall or cinema level surround sound quality. The instrument separation is excellent in this budget. You can listen to each and every instrument used in background of music. The KZ EDX Ultra have V-shaped sound. The detail is excellent, and the bass is fine. It's not much bassy, but you will get bass where it should be. The wire quality and mic quality is also very nice. You can use it with KZ Bluetooth module as well. KZ EDX Ultra in-ear monitor is entry-level IEM, but it provides you best quality if you compare it with normal hands-free in this range from other brands. Various brands like JBL, Sony, Samsung offer hands-free in this price range, but they have bad sound quality if you compare with it. So, if you want to enjoy music or movie, you can consider this KZ EDX Ultra. As far as fitness is concerned, it fits perfectly and doesn't feel heavy at all. The vocals are clear, so you can use it for calls as well without any issue. So, I would recommend you buying KZ EDX Ultra if you are buying an ear monitor first time. It won't disappoint you. To buy, please click the link in the description. Please subscribe to my channel, and for business inquiries, please email me. Thanks.